Today we will see how we can create a form in the Microsoft team. For that, first we have to click on the particular team in which we want to create our own form. After that, click on the assignment option and then click on the create option and choose any of the option. If you have already specified, already made assignment, then you can click on this, because right now we are just focusing how we can create our own paper on in the Microsoft form by using the Microsoft team. Click on the quiz option. It will give you an option, either you can select from the existing form or you can create a new form. Now we will focus on to create a new form. One thing is best in the Microsoft form, you don't have to save it. Now I am here. If you want to create your own paper, then you have to click on the quiz so that you can simultaneously give them points or marks and or specify the weightage of each and every question. I'm clicking on the new quiz option. Give the title testing or test paper. You can give any name to your form. After that, if you want to give any description, this is to test the concepts of the student in particular in function chapter. You can specify anything, function chapter. After that, if now you have to specify first question, click on the choice. There are four options it is showing to you. Either you can make it in choice based, text based, rating based. Now we are just focusing on the choice based question. What is the use of function parameter? If there are three options, then you can specify to accept the values, to take, to display the result. You can add more options also, to return value in this way. And if you want to specify the marks related to this question, then you can specify that this question is of 2 marks and fix it that it's mandatory for the student to attempt this question. And if you know the answer, then you can simultaneously specify the correct answer for this. If you want to make a copy of this question, then you can make a copy of this question also. After that, click on new option, specify another. What is the use of function argument? And if you want to click any picture related to this, then click on the insert media, click on the image, because I want to upload from my computer. Then click on the upload option. You can pick any pic related to this where you have already saved in your computer. Just click on this. It will show the pic related to that, and you can specify the option is 13 by 2 is correct, or 13 by 2 is correct, or 13 by, you can specify the option related to your question and then fix it automatically. Then you don't have to specify it. If you want to, after in this way, you can add as many as you want to see the preview. So then you can see star asterisk symbol is showing that these questions are the mandatory, and they specify 2 points also. Back we can see how it will see on the mobile and how the students will get when they will work on the laptop. And in this way you can add new question as many as you can specify the pic also, how you can take a pic, that I will share later on. And after that you can specify share it before, click on this option, fix the setting for the student who can fill this option. You can specify only people in my organization can respond it, record the name, one response has time. You can specify the start date also. Suppose if I am starting, I am fixing my date to 15th, and then I am fixing the time 10. You can change the time also 10:30, and you can specify the end date also. Suppose on 15th, if you want to stop this quiz after 12 o'clock, that after 12 o'clock students will not able to use it. All questions shuffle it because the student will not get in a particular order. Customize thank you message, then you can specify this option so that after submitting the result the student will get this message. And after that, if you want, automatically you don't have to save anything, it will automatically save in your environment. If you want to share this thing, then you can share it also, but here we are not focusing on how we can share it. Now after this, after making, because it will open in another browser, uh, click on the team option, because here I have made the form in another browser window. Click on the team option, again click on where we have created this thing, click on the quiz option. Now you can see that your form is showing over here. Click on this option, click on the next option, and if you want to save it, what will be the due date of this question, then you can specify it, because there I have specified 15, then you can specify the time due is 11:59, then you can fix it for all the students, and after that save it. First you have to save this thing, and then when you will again click on the, when you want to specify or assign to the students, again go there, click on the test paper option, then again click on the environment that you have already saved it. You don't want to assign it to the student, save this option. On that day, it will automatically assign to the students. Open in Teams. Up now you can assign this thing. It will take a 1 or 2 minutes, and then because I've already saved all these things, if you want to change anything, then you can change and then click on the save option. And if you want to assign, then on that particular day, it will assign to your student. It will show on their team option. Assign it. I hope this will clear to you how you have to make your form, and after making a form, I am just showing to you how it will show. So I am again going to my assignment, create. I just want to show the result. After getting the things, you will, that your response will be recorded. Automatically it will record. And if you want to see, if you want to open in the form, you after getting the result, then it will show it here. Again it will open in the browser window automatically. You don't have to see. Here you can see the result of each and every student. Again, going back to the Microsoft team, if you want to export the things, you can see according to the students wise result, how many students have attempted the answer. Edit assignment. If you want to edit the assignment, export to Excel, then it will open the Excel file for you, and there you can see the things. Downloading, downloaded. Now you can see the result of each and every student, how they have attempted, and this Excel file you can show it to others also. One more thing, if you don't know how you have to save the things, it will automatically open and you will see how it will show on your screen. Now you can see how many students have attempted what type of question, what are the points related to each question, how many students have attempted. In this way you can get your result. These are the name of the students, email ID, functions. global and variable. These are the points which I have given feedback to the students also, because I've made that thing in that way. We want to see the result each and every open in forms, and then you can see the things. Questions in this way you can see the things. Delete or print side by side, you can see how many students have attempted in what way, and you can post the result also. Already posted if you want to. So many students, if they have not received their result, then you can post their result by clicking on this already posted. It will ask you that you have to post the things. Now one more thing, suppose you don't know, there is a site on the particular, suppose I am now opening NCERT solution of chapter chemistry, and if you want to in everyday life, and you want to open the link, and you want to click some pics related to this PDF file. Suppose if I want to click the pic related to this, then how I will click it so that I can use the image in my question. For this, suppose I just want to click this pic. So go to the search option, click on the snipping tool. Just type it here, snipping. It will ask you, click on the new option. You can click the pic and then click on the save as option where you want to save the pic. I've already saved it, and then later on it will be easier for you to take the pic for your quiz. I hope this will clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.